Top 5 Best Rewards Credit Cards of 2024. Are you always on the lookout for the best deals? Dreaming of turning your everyday spending into extraordinary rewards? What if I told you that the right credit card could unlock a world of free travel, luxurious hotel stays, and even cash back on your purchases? Welcome back to CreditWise USA, the channel that empowers your financial journey with smart tips and insights. Today, we're diving into the top 5 best rewards credit cards of 2024. Whether you're a travel enthusiast, a savvy shopper, or someone who loves getting the most out of every dollar, we've got something for you. So, grab your notepad, and let's explore these game-changing cards, counting down from number 5 to our top pick. Kicking off our list at number 5, we have a card that's a golden key to a world of unmatched luxury and travel perks. The Platinum Card from American Express. If you're someone who doesn't just travel but travels in style, this card is your ticket to the high life. With an annual fee of $695, it's a premium choice for those who crave premium benefits. Right out of the gate, it welcomes you with a jaw-dropping 100,000 points after you spend $6,000 in the first 6 months. Now, let that sink in. Those points can translate into incredible travel experiences, making every dollar spent an investment in your next luxury getaway. But wait, there's more. When it comes to earning points, this card is a powerhouse. You'll be earning 5x points on flights booked directly with airlines or through select travel portals. And on prepaid hotels booked on Amex Travel, up to $50,000 per year. After that, it's 1x point on the go. And for everything else? You're still earning, with 1x point on all other purchases. It's not just about spending, it's about earning every step of the way to your next grand adventure. Sliding into the number 4 spot, we've got a card that's perfect for those who live their life on the go and online. The American Express Green Card. This card isn't just about getting from point A to B, it's about savoring every moment and every meal along the way. With an annual fee of just $150, it's designed for the modern traveler and diner who loves earning rewards on their terms. Right off the bat, the welcome offer is pretty sweet. Earn up to 100,000 points. Here's how it breaks down. You'll snag 25,000 points after you spend $2,000 in the first 6 months. And if you're up for it, an additional 75,000 points after you hit $20,000 in purchases within the same time frame. That's a lot of points up for grabs. When it comes to racking up those membership rewards points, the American Express Green Card is a powerhouse. Dining out? You'll earn 3x points at restaurants worldwide, including your favorite takeout and delivery spots, on up to $25,000 in purchases per year. And when it's time to jet set or book a cozy hotel, you're also earning 3x points on flights and prepaid hotels. Booked in certain ways, capped at the same $25,000 per year, then it's 1x point onwards. And for everything else life throws your way? You'll be earning 1x point on all other purchases. The American Express Green Card is your passport to making everyday spending more rewarding. Sliding into our number 3 spot with grace and flexibility is the Chase Sapphire Reserve. A card that's not just about earning points, it's about opening up a world of possibilities. If you're someone who loves the freedom to explore and dine with the added security of robust travel protections, this is your match made in heaven. With an annual fee of $550, it sits comfortably in the realm of premium cards, offering benefits that justify every penny. Let's talk about the welcome offer, a generous 60,000 points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. Now, here's the kicker. Those points are worth $750 in travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards, or even more when transferred to one of their travel partners. It's like getting a bonus trip just for using your card. Earning points is a breeze with 3x points on travel and dining worldwide. From a quick coffee run to booking your next overseas adventure, every experience is more rewarding. And it doesn't stop there. You also get 1x point on all other purchases, ensuring that every swipe, tap, or insert of your card moves you closer to your next destination. Plus, with up to 10x points on changing quarterly bonus categories, there's always a new way to accelerate your rewards. The Chase Sapphire Reserve isn't just a credit card, it's a passport to a more rewarding lifestyle. Stepping up to our number 2 spot with an impressive blend of flexibility and value is the Capital One Venture X Rewards credit card. Tailor-made for those who seek premium travel rewards without the ultra-premium annual fee. This card offers an attractive package for adventurers and frequent flyers alike. For an annual fee of $395, which is quite competitive in the high-end card market, you're unlocking a world of travel benefits that can take you further. The welcome offer alone sets a high bar. Earn 75,000 bonus miles after you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. To put that into perspective, that's $750 worth of travel that you can book through Capital One Travel, making it an offer that's hard to resist for anyone looking to explore new horizons. But what truly sets the Capital One Venture X apart is its earning potential. You'll earn a whopping 5x miles on hotels and flights when booked through Capital One Travel, ensuring that every dollar spent moves you miles ahead towards your next trip. And for everything else, you're covered with 2x miles on all other purchases, no matter where you're spending your money. It's this straightforward, yet powerful earning structure that makes the Capital One Venture X a top contender for anyone looking to maximize their travel rewards with every purchase. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the top spot on our list goes to the Chase Sapphire Preferred Card. This gem is the crown jewel for anyone passionate about maximizing their travel rewards. With its accessible $95 annual fee, it stands out as a gateway to the world of travel luxuries, without the hefty price tag of its premium counterparts. The welcome offer is a traveler's dream. Earn 60,000 points after spending $4,000 on purchases in the first 3 months. Those points translate to a whopping $750 in travel when redeemed through Chase Ultimate Rewards, or even more when transferred to one of their many travel partners. It's an unbeatable start to your journey, offering a significant return on your spend. Earning points with the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a straightforward affair designed to enrich your dining and travel experiences. You'll earn 2x points on travel and dining at restaurants worldwide, making every meal and trip a step closer to your next adventure. And for everything else, you're still earning with 1x point on all other purchases. Plus, the opportunity to earn up to 10x points on changing quarterly bonus categories adds an exciting twist, allowing you to accelerate your rewards throughout the year. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card isn't just a credit card. It's a travel companion that rewards your wanderlust and dining endeavors with every swipe. Whether you're booking a flight, dining at your favorite restaurant, or planning your next getaway, it ensures that every dollar spent brings you closer to the travel experiences you've been dreaming of. It's no wonder it takes the top spot as the best rewards credit card of 2024. And there you have it, the cream of the crop in the rewards credit card arena for 2024. From luxurious travel perks to flexible points and everything in between, each card on our list offers a unique blend of benefits tailored to different lifestyles and spending habits. Whether you're eyeing luxury travel, dining out, or maximizing every purchase, there's a card here that matches your needs. Remember, the key to choosing the right card lies in aligning its benefits with your spending patterns and goals. Dive into the world of rewards credit cards, and make your spending work for you in ways you've never imagined. Thank you for joining us at CreditWise USA. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful financial guidance. Here's to making smart choices and unlocking the full potential of your finances. Safe travels and savvy spending, everyone.